Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TradingView alerts for crypto signals step by step clearly. Open your TradingView account or create a new account if you don't have one. Navigate to the chart of the cryptocurrency you want to set alerts for. Click on the alerts icon located in the right-hand toolbar. A new alert window will appear. Select the condition for your alert from the drop-down menu. You can choose from options like crossing, greater than, or less than. Specify the price level or condition for the alert. You have the option to set alerts based on specific indicators as well. Adjust the expiration date for the alert if you want it to be temporary. Choose how you want to be notified. You can select options like email, mobile notification, or pop-up. Add a custom message if you want to receive specific details in your alert. Decide if you want the alert to trigger only once or every time the condition is met. Review all your settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Click on the Create button to activate your alert. Once created, you can view all your alerts in the Alerts Management window. You can also edit or delete alerts from this window when needed. Congratulations, you have successfully configured alerts for your crypto signals on TradingView. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.